Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a prefix to a column of names in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to add titles like MR. Mississippi. Or DR. To a list of names quickly without typing each one manually. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple workspaces set up. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are organized. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add the prefix to your column of names. This will open the file in Google Sheets, allowing you to view and edit your data. Take a moment to ensure you've opened the correct spreadsheet, especially if you have several similar files. Now, let's say you have a sample datus with a list of names and you want to add MR. Before each name. This is where the array formula function comes in handy, as it allows you to apply a formula to an entire column at once, saving you from having to copy and paste repeatedly. Click on an empty cell where you want the prefix names to appear. This is typically the cell next to or in a new column adjacent to your original names. Once you've selected the cell, type equals array formula open parenthesis, es blank, open parenthesis. This formula structure checks if the cells in your range are blank, which prevents errors or unwanted prefixes in empty cells. Next, select the range of names you want to add the prefix to. Click and drag to highlight the entire column or range where your names are located. After selecting the range, close it with a closing parenthesis, then add 2 commas. This separates the different arguments within the if function, telling Google Sheets what to do if the cell is blank versus if it contains data. Now, type MR. Followed by a space and make sure this text is inside double quotation marks. This is the prefix that will appear before each name. Immediately after the closing quotation mark, add an ampersand symbol. The ampersand is used to concatenate or join the prefix with the actual name from your original column. After adding the ampersand, select the range of names again. This tells the formula to pull the names from your original column and combine them with the prefix you just specified. Once you've selected the range, close the formula with 2 closing parentheses and hit the Enter key. You should see the formula populate the entire column with the prefix names instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a prefix to a column of names in Google Sheets using a simple array formula. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.